What's up, everyone, and welcome to today's video. We are going to be talking about a form called W-4V for voluntary tax withholding. Before we get into the video, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe to the channel so that you're always notified whenever I post new content. I greatly appreciate it. All right, so again, back to the Google search. We are going to be going to the government website, irs.gov, form W-4V. The last time that this form was revised would have been February of 2018. I wouldn't be surprised with the new cost of living adjustments if this upcoming year they released a different one. You can see this is a pretty, so again, like many other government forms, there's usually a lot of instruction, so you can see here the majority of it is here. So if you're wanting to either reduce, remove, or add your voluntary tax withholding from your Social Security benefits, it's really these 7 questions right here is all you're going to need to do. Pretty self-explanatory. Question 5, I want federal income tax withheld from my unemployment compensation at a rate of 10%. I guess that there must be some sort of standard for this one. And that wouldn't even really go to Social Security. This would go to unemployment is usually done by the state. So you wouldn't turn this into the Social Security office if you were dealing with unemployment. And then number 6 is more so for Social Security purposes. You can have, as of right now, you can have 7, 10, 12, or 22. I've seen it before 7, 10, 15, 24, I believe was the version previous to this. And then this would be, I want to stop federal withholding taxes. I don't give out any advice on tax withholding because that is not my area of expertise. That's not my industry. And I believe my business would get in trouble if I gave any advice because I am not an accountant, a CPA, or somebody that does any sort of tax preparation. So I cannot advise you on what to do here. But with that being said, you would want to go to one of those people. So if you have somebody that helps you do your taxes every year, give them a call and say, hey, this is what I'm assuming my income is going to be for the upcoming year. Do you think I need voluntary tax withholding? Fill out the form accordingly. Or if your situation's changed, then you call them and say, hey, my situation's changed. Should I either reduce or remove the tax withholding? And then you fill out the form and you turn it into your local Social Security office. With taxes, you may want to turn it in person. I would imagine it depends on how much tax is coming out of your check versus how much money you maybe need for your situation, or if you're just not wanting to pay any more taxes than you need to. The way that your Social Security benefits are taxed is you have your gross benefit, then you have your deductions. Okay, so let's say that your deduction, maybe your only deduction is Medicare Part B. Your tax withholding is based off of your net after your deductions, right? So you have your gross amount. Let's just say, as an example, your gross amount is $1,000. We just use easy numbers, right? Right. So you have a gross amount of $1,000. Right now you pay $170.10 for Medicare. All right. That means that your net is $825. Okay. So your voluntary tax is based off of your net, not your gross. So let's say that you did 10%. 10% of $829 is $82.99. If your tax withholding was based off your gross, it will be $100, right? So you could see there's a difference of, what is that, like $17.10, something like that. So just sometimes people, they don't realize that. And then if you had more deductions, let's say you had Part B, Part D, and all, and maybe a third-party advantage plan or supplement plan, right? So you're always going to be taxed on your on that lower amount, on your net amount is what you get taxed on. Sometimes people have some questions about that. Okay, so again, I hope the video helped you all today. If you wanted me to dive into something else, leave a comment down below. If you got something out of the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel and turn on your bell notifications so you know when I'm posting new content. Thank you so much. Have a great day.